Time check, 7 p.m. Whoa. How about the stroller? Tubig na lang natin yan. Wait, mommy. You wait, daddy. Okay, bye-bye, daddy. Bye. Ay, Saya. Megan, hawakan mo ngayon. Lagi nasa unahan eh. Paano mangyayari sa atin?
Tanggalin yung gamit.
Kasya yan.
Sa ano, siguro sila atin na lang muna sa isang ano. Sunod na lang tayo nila tita.
Megan! Megan, Inigo, ikaw dito. Ay, ano, Junjun.
Eh, kayo na. Tayo na muna.
Megan dito. Inigo.
Sige, kayo na niya na tita. Mahal. Saya, wait lang. Saya, sama mo?
Hindi. Oo, sige. Sige, tara, Saya. Go, go anak, go. Go.
Ay, hindi siya ikaw close?
Automatic.
Ah, mamaya ikaw close.
Anak, dyan si Saya.
Saya, dito ka
Saya,
saya.
sit down there, anak. Hi, guys! Hi! Anak, isa namin mo.
Yan, ako sa yung window.
Hi, tita. Bangaw. Bangaw ka.
I hope Saya doesn't poo-poo. I hope Saya doesn't poo-poo.
Why?
I smell poo-poo. I'm joking.
You have books, Isaiah? Wala. Megan, si Isaiah.
Oh
my God, anak, mga kapatid mo ha. Megan, biglang bibilis oh.
Saya, we're going to go fast. Okay, be ready.
Ay, Megan.
We are going!
Oh my gosh! Is that real? Oh my God.
Top of the world!
Where are they?
Ready lang!
Saya, huwag ka makulit, please.
We are like in a skyscraper. Are you afraid? I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of heights.
Sige, please. Kinakabahan ako sa'yo.
Huwag ka na kasi mag-video kaya nakakabahan.
Ayun, lakas ng tawa. Ah! Hey, look, tawa siya, oh.
Wow, ganda yung ano si Rosa.
Ay, wow.
Yung na ako video. Nanginig ako eh.
Bisaya. Baka mo yan.
I'm not scared of heights, dude. This is super far. Wow. Look at the view.
I mean, pag nangulog naman tayo dito, hindi naman tayo diretso.
Isa. Isa.
Nakabuwala naman tayo.
Si steady ka? What? We just stop slowly
Are you
first.
scared?
Hindi.
Takot ako kasi nasa likod ako eh. Paano pag ganyan si Godzilla? Di ko naman may ginawa na.
Look lang.
Bro, like, lala, stop.
What do you mean Godzilla is in Hong Kong? Oh, you mean King Kong? Hong Kong, King Kong.
Tutuwa pa siya.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's more better with light. Ganda yung light, no?
Ay, natakot ako sa paakyat. Ba't ako inaabangan mo? Reaction ko inaabangan niya.
You're super scared.
Ang tapang niya Isaya, no? Sa ibang bata yan, umiiyak na yan eh.
Naku, nung nag-Hong Kong yung mga anak ko, Diyos ko, hirap na hirap sila sa tantrum sila. Buti nga ito, very good.
Very good talaga si Isaya.
I'll touch you this one. Ate, just watch the nature. Don't be scared. Watch the nature.
Watch the nature. Wow. The nature.
We're going back again. Let's go. Hey. Because I'm smart. I'm joking. Again. We're going.
Grabe oh.
Ay, may Isaya. Ang tapos mo, Isaya.
Still going up. Too many boats. I know God will save us. He's holding in the top. He's holding in the bottom.
Very good. Ang lakas ng tawa ni Amay, oh. Baho! Tingnan mo, ang baho ni Adjo.
Ang baho ni Adjon!
Ang baho ni Adjon!
Ang baho ni Daddy! Anong PR?
Mahal na mahal kita!
Antayin mo yung sagot.
Mahal na mahal kita! May lanyo balute!
Ay!
Ay?
Ay!
Happy friend!
Maasim ka!
Yan ka sumigaw si Daddy pa sa si Raymond.
Ako
Si
yung
Daddy! Si Daddy pa na nasisigaw si Raymond.
Ang asim mo! Oh my God, oh my gosh. We're going up, we're going up.
I want to see the mountain.
Yeah, we're going up.
We're going to the mountains.
Look.
I'm gonna pray to God. Lord, thank you from this trip. I'm just too scared. I'm joking. Look at the other people. They're safe.
Yeah, we're all safe.
I know this is a safe ride. They're called safe trip.
Can you hold me?
Just hold this only. Baka
Pakaingay! Sige, okay. Sige ko na. Bili-balinig ka niya na.
Mahal na mahal kita! Kahit maasim ka!
Ay,
Ay.
Okay, we're going
Isaya, huwag ka nang tumayo. Ay, Isaya. Bawal yun, bawal.
at
Ay.
bawal mataba.
Ah, mahuhulog,
Bawal
mahuhulog.
mataba.
Hindi, sige. Hindi mahuhulog yan. Hindi mahuhulog yan.
So, hindi yan mahulog.
Grabe. Akala ko.
Top of skyscraper. Ate, ako!
Oh, oo na. Sige na. Oh, yung
Ate,
ganda.
Baka pala, hala ko paano na.
What?
Meron pa ba?
Ah, kasi pabalik tayo ng ano eh. Saan ba tayo papunta?
We're going to the whole world. How are we going to the whole world? Oh.
Parang hindi naman ganito katagal yung paglalakad natin. Ba't ang tagal-tagal nito?
Tagal yan, ha? Kaya tayo mo sa stairs. Ang tagal yan.
Yung tayong Pilipinas.
Bakit? Scared? Last time I was at like this. That I was not even scared. I just feel the air. In here, I'm not even scared also. Why are you scared in
Mahal
this?
po ng sa swimming pool natin. Oo.
What swimming pool?
Kaya pala wala nagsuswimming doon.
Ate, what are you scared about?
Parang kanina meron 3.
Opo, mayroon.
Smile ka dyan. Teka, picture kita. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hindi kita kita. Game. Hi. Hi. Hawakan mo kapatid mo.
Alam mo, you guys remember that. Okay, I love you very much. I love you very much.
Now we're
Ganda
going.
naman, oh.
We're pointing down. Yay! And there's more side skyscrapers.
Diyos me. Gigilid ba tayo?
We're
Ang
going
ganda.
back up. Why?
Ibig mo sabihin,
Ano daw?
Messi! I'm joking.
Mama, sana po may oras po tayo mag-aquatic. Kasi yun na lang po yan na napapunta.
Saan yun?
Yung aquarium po. Hindi ko nga po alam sa gilid po.
Yes, we're back.
Ayan o, ayan po.
We're back
Ay, may
where
mga
we-
ilaw-ilaw o.
We're back where we belong.
Ayan yung fountain show.
Where?
May ilaw-ilaw.
Ay, oo nga, yun.
Baka may ano.
We are back where we belong.
Something.
We are back where we... Oh my God.
I love it.
Oh, we don't need to stop. Mommy, stop standing.
Hilaf.